Cause imali yakancane yenzisana ikoloto. And especially manigulelwa, you have to pay transport, you have to go to keep a logo, you have to go to thenga izinto kancane izinto ezikanjalo. They said to me, akukhonakali. That's okay, fine. So, kuzoyenzakalani ke? Athi no, angeke kukhonakali. That was uThulu khuluma naye. Okay, sharp. Sidlula isikhathi leso umntwana be right, ngisafara khona ngivale ngale imali engivala ngayo. And imagine into engizonitshela yona ningayazi mina ekhaya kithi I'm a breadwinner. Ekhaya kithi everyone ubheke mina. And I was enjoying that because of angifuni ukubona abantu basekhaya mina bahlupheka. So it happened ke ukuthi umama wami nosista mina yabo bagule at the same month, at the same week, and like ugula serious. After that I had ukuthi abona manje ngichange umuntu omunye angisafoneli lo, ngifonela right straight umuntu omele ngimfonele. I call uLivuwane because of I text Julia, my producer, and mangim texter like he was blue ticking me. Into yangizisa ubuhlungu after blue ticker there is a time azofuna episode yami akhohlwe date. I was like lo muntu lo ungifonela kanjani angibuza umsebenzi wakhe, but mina if ngimtexta ngifuna usizo uyangiblue tick. Mina ngiyababhora musilabantu laba. And then if ngichashiwe ecompany yabo nginenkinga mele ngiyiraise kubani because bayangiblue tick. Okay, fine. It happens with babona ukuthi manje say serious because each and everything engikhulumayo kuze bayibelieve I have to ukuthi ngisende iproof. And mina manga ngiwakhuluma. That's the thing eyangizisa ubuhlungu ke nokuthi nakusasa if they decide ukuthi bangi-stretch out bangasangifake emashowini abo angeke ngizwe ubuhlungu because vele abangi-appreciate. There is a lot of sin ebangishuta zona mina ezihambelana ngqo nempilo yami ezingasi amanga. Ayikho into ebathi ngiyenze ngingayenzi noma into ebayidinga kimi ngingabaphi yona. Fine. After ngibaprovelile ukuthi mama mini nosisi wami bekho right, I asked them ukuthi ngicela ukuthi no matter imali le enizonginika yona nikhipheni emalini yami my outstanding balance esele. Okay, they agree with that. Bangisendele 40,000. The 40,000 ngibafonele ngibonge mangiceda ngibasendele nama message ukuthi ngiyabonga and then sengisharp manje. But imali engiyitholile 40,000. They said to me, yeah, imali yakho iphelele. I was like, no, ayiphelelanga. Imali yami ayiphelelanga. Imali le mina engiyisebenzele le mina nani sisene ngayo ayiphelelanga. They sent me a paper. Iphepha lakhona libhaliwe episode banibani. Angil understand because of angilazi ngiqala ukulibona. And if bangisendela lona ekuqaleni I don't think bengizovuma mina ukubuyela eTV. Not after izinto engizenzile ezinye engazifuni ngempilo yami. But because of umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda and ngiba appreciate nawo ngiu-appreciate ngingenendaba because of bengisebenza and bengiyithola imali. But manje if kuzoba so, no, angifuni ngami mina. Into engiyifuna kibo imali yami because I don't want to go deep. Yes, good. They have threats always against us. Mangabe kunento esingayithandi ukuthi yana bayi company enkulu bona. They will do what and what. Ngalo wait. Shh. I know ukuthi like kunento eziningi. Yeah, bazonixosha. Niyamazi Opri yaxoshana in umuntu ngixosha kanjani umxoshela into obona nayo ukuthi le into ngabe siyayilungisa and then icompany ikhule siqhubeke ngempilo. Guys, I remember ngihamba nomntwana ngiyoshuta i-DNA scene mina. Umntwana angakawisi inongwane asesemncane. You can go back to that scene. That time kwaqala ama-drama ukuthi akusena ama-SNT, we have to ukuthi sithenge ukudla where wara. I stay for a long time. Ngiphume endlini nge-content yaka 10 but ngiphume endlini ngo-8 o'clock ekuseni. Ngihamba nabantwana bami ngiyoshuta ama-DNA. That time I didn't eat. Cabangani. Ngadla ebusuku
Guys, everyone is shocked what is going on after Umahlale Ntabeni, the reality star from Umdeni Mojolove 157 channel reveals what bona bayasebenza. Guys, for those who don't know, Umdeni is a reality show on Mojolove channel 157. The show focuses on the lives of various family. Each season or episode they can focus on a different family, detailing their relationships and journey. Right now they are focusing on Maseko family, guys, and people are surprised what is going on. She did reveal Ogote sometimes they do things that are not supposed to do. She's forced to do things that she doesn't like because obviously she's doing it for the show. As and now it makes sense. Lendaba laphana ku isencane lengane. Sometimes people will say uthando and Siyacela they are acting, guys, because the things that is happening laphana ku reality show, you will get surprised. Same applies to Umdeni, guys. So people are saying ukuthi it is clear the 40,000 rand it is the finish. How come Ndabula does not have an ID? So people are saying ukuthi Mojolove is totally unfair. Ndabula, he doesn't have an ID, has been complaining. They could have done something to help him to get his ID. And people are asking themselves, Mojolove. I remember he went to this other podcast. He did explain ukuthi he's using someone's bank account. It is alleged, I'm not sure, guys. Obviously you cannot open a bank account here in South Africa if you don't have an ID, guys. And people are also waiting for Ndabula to also come and complain if he did receive his money, what is going on. And some went on to say a contract says, did you go through it? Uyayivumela nento yokuthi you can ask him money when you have a problem. So people are asking ukuthi when you have signed a contract, if you have problems, you go there and ask him money, or you don't wait for them to pay you all the money that you want, all the money that you have signed for. So people are so confused what is going on. Saying that the 40,000 rand, that's not what they agree. She still need more money, guys. Maybe they have agreed to 120 or 4080, or you never know, maybe 50,000 or 120. She's saying that money, it's not enough. She still need money, so she's calling out to Mojolove to pay her money. So people again went on to say, we got the answer, you guys buy an actor, it's not real. Obviously they are the way they are acting. So there's a lot of things that is going on, guys. People are saying, what these people are wasting our time, and we thought it was a reality show bona by an actor. But Ndabula, guys, she did reveal a Panago podcast. He once went to this other podcast. You can just check here on YouTube. He said about acting, guys, it's real. We don't know what is going on. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. It's time in the conversation what I think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.